Hello everyone, my name is Rohit Dhodi. Today the topic of my presentation, organization change. Definition: organization change refers to the actions in which a company or business alters a major components of its organization, such as its culture, the underlying technologies or infrastructure it uses to operate, or its internal process. Meaning of organizational change: organizational change refers to any alteration that occurs in total work environment. Organizational change is an important characteristic of most organizations. An organization must develop adaptability to change, otherwise it will either to be left behind or be swept away by the force of change. Organizational change is inevitable in a progressive culture. Modern organizations are highly dynamic, versatile, and adaptive to the multiplicity of change. Causes of organizational change: external pressure, social and political changes. Organizational units literally have no control over social and political changes in the country. Relation between government and business or drive for social equality are some factors which may compel for organizational change. Market situation: changes in market situation include rapidly changing goals, needs, and desire of consumers, supplier, unions, etc. Organization has to service. It has to cope with changes in market situation. Internal pressures: first, changes in the marginal personnel. Changes in the managerial personnel. One of the most frequent reasons for major changes in the organization is the change of executive. At the top, number 2 managers have the same style, skill, or managerial philosophies. Second, deficiency in the existing organization. Many deficiencies are noticed in the organization with the passage of the time. Changes in necessary to remove such deficiencies at lack of uniformity in the policies, obstacle in communication, any ambiguity, etc. Process of organizational change: a commonly expected model for bringing change in people was suggested by Kurt Lewin in terms of 3-phase process. First, unfreeze. The essence of unfreeze phase is the individual is made to realize that his belief, feelings, and behavior are no longer appropriate or relevant to the current situation in the organization once convince people may change their behavior. Rewards for those willing to change and punishment for others may help in this matter. Second, changing one's concern. Changing one's concern. Second, changing one's convinced and ready to change. An individual under this phase learn to behave in new ways. He first provided with the model in which he is to identify himself. Gradually he will expect that model and behave in the manner suggested by the model. In another process known as internalization, the individual is placed in situation where new behavior is demanded of him. It is to operate successfully. Third, rephrasing. During this phase, a person has to practice and experiment with the new method of behavior and see that it effectively blends with his other behavioral attitudes. Reinforcement for creating a permanent set in the individual is provided through either condition or intermittent schedules. Thank you.